30 photos showing change after adoption of dying cats, then and now. My most recent rescue baby Merlin's before and after, cannot thank the rescue center we adopted from enough. Gyner old cat that we rescued in 2022, now he is adopted. My sweet orange boy. She was found tiny and sick on the streets of Brooklyn, and she's now the biggest personality and the sweetest baby. When I was asked to take this girl, I was told the vet didn't think she had a chance. Meet Lena. From a scrawny kitten with fleas to current polite angel. Reeves was found after he was attacked by a bobcat. From terrified orphan stray to fluffy queen in 1 year. Nimbus glowed up. Machi. This little guy was left alone in the rain. Barn cat to lap cat. Today marks 1 month since I started fostering baby Gremlin. I know it's not technically an adoption, but it will be once he's neutered. I found this guy living in my storage shed. After some much-needed dental surgery and months of living indoors, he's a new man. Meet Bobby. Spent a week driving an hour each way to trap this guy. Before and current of this rescue boy Otto. Bulka cat. I rescued her in 2021. She was suffering from frozen pregnancy and pyometra. When I first saw her she was dying. The vet gave her 1% from 100 to survive, but she was a fighter. Found him in a parking lot. He's sleeping a lot more comfortably now. My first bottle baby foster kittens after a neighbor found them in a rainstorm versus 4 months later in their forever home. 10 years ago today I went for a walk and came home with a kitten. From tiny and dirty to large and in charge. Happy 10th gotcha day, Melvin. Before and after from kitten to cat. Rabbit vs. Cricket, 1 year later. Found this baby near the stable wandering around and crying. Now look at this beauty. This is Jonesy. He had been thrown into a ditch. Here he is 3 months later.